Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Thinkorswim Option Hacker. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this powerful tool can help you find trading opportunities in the options market. In this video, we will cover how to navigate the Option Hacker, customize your search criteria, and interpret the search results. First, let's open Thinkorswim and locate the Option Hacker tool. Once you are in the platform, go to the Analyze tab and select Option Hacker from the drop-down menu. You will see a blank search interface. This is where you can set your parameters to filter options based on your trading strategy. You can choose criteria like underlying symbol, option type, expiration dates, and risk levels. Now, let's customize our search criteria. Click on the Add Filter button. Here, you can select from various criteria such as open interest, volume, and implied volatility. For example, if you want to find options with high open interest, you can set that parameter accordingly. Make sure to adjust the ranges and values based on your trading preferences. You can save your custom filters for quick access in the future. Once you have set your desired filters, hit the Scan button. This will generate a list of options that meet your criteria. Analyze the results displayed in the table, which includes valuable information like the last price, bid, ask, and implied volatility. You can click on any option to explore further details or to place a trade. By using the Thinkorswim Option Hacker, effectively, you can streamline your options trading process and improve your decision-making. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!